Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a spa and wellness reservation on the Vakko application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Click on the hotel button down below in the left side corner of the page. Scroll down to the wellness section, tap on it. Here you can check out the services, including the price, duration, and what it includes or what they include. Click on the reservation button at the top, and then you can make a reservation, but first you need to allow the app to have access to your notifications. So tap on allow notifications, then go back to the application. Here you can set reservation details, including your room number, the number of guests, the date, and also the treatment. Tap on select. And here you can add additional notes, and when you are done, click on the request reservation button down below. So basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.